Buddy, I will show you in this video how to fix sound problem on TDS game. So, open the settings of your phone first. Click right now on your apps option and you have to search for TDS. Click on it like this and scroll this list down. Click storage, click clear cache. Back here now, click force stop, click OK. Come to Play Store or App Store and update TDS game. Restart after this your phone, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in another tutorial.